welcome back to my channel. This is Nicole with Made from Scrap, and I am here to show you my next design team project for Country Craft Creation. Let me go ahead and take this out of the package. It is the very end of June. I just got back from a vacation and I have this lovely package to share with you all. Let's see. We have Prima Flowers, red, white, and blue. Isn't that perfect? These are handmade flowers, by the way, so they're very beautiful. We have this lovely new mirror card. You can see that that's the Imperial blue, and there's 5 sheets to it. So I'm looking forward to playing with that. I love those types of papers. I've been given a couple of chipboard pieces. These measure 8.5 by 11, it looks like. Yep. So I have a couple sheets of that. And then I have the Echo Park Stars and Stripes Forever collection to play with. So this is going to be really cute. This is the sticker sheet. Okay, and then we have the cut aparts. These are fantastic. A border strip here, and you know I like to try to use these banner strips as well. Sweet Land of Liberty. Yeah, that's gonna be so cute. Look at that. Oh, I love the flowers. Let's see what's on the back side. Okay, the stars. I think I might make a banner, maybe a mini banner for our trees. We haven't done something with our little decorative trees for a while, so maybe I'll make something like that. Okay, here's the flag. Beautiful. I like this one. That's pretty, right? Ooh, the little fireworks. That is super cute. Love the blue stars, the navy blue stars. Life, liberty, and happiness. We can make some little pinwheels. That would be cute. I like this blue. Nice blue. And then we have our 3x4s. So yeah, so this might be really good for a mini banner here. Here. Fireworks on the back side. Cute. Cute, cute. Okay, then we have our top hats. Lincoln top hats. I don't know what you call them. Cute blue on blue. Polka dot there with the deep blue. And we have our fireworks page. Really cute. Ooh, I like that crosshatch. Like almost like a weaved crosshatch with the red on red. Loving that. And you have this. The waves. Oh, interesting. Waves. And then you have your pattern, stripe pattern. Why am I at a loss of words? Help me out. What's this called? Plaid. Your plaid. You got your stars. Red, white, and blue stars. Love the stripes. This is a cute collection, isn't it? We have our stars, shooting stars on one side and the red and white stripe on the other. Fun. Ooh, I got multiple copies of that. Okay, I don't know if that was intentional or not, but thank you. And then the solids. So I got the medium blue, the red. Okay, there's a red on the back side of this one, which is darker than this one. Then you have your light blue on the back side of that. You have your navy on this one, and then a white on the back side of that. So this is a really fun collection. I get to start with right away and make something really fun here. So I will be back shortly to share with you what I've made. Until next time, check out countrycraftcreations.com and the Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations on Facebook. Happy crafting, you all. Bye.